Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting 3 pieces: your birth month number, your birthday, and the 4 digits of the current year. Once done, add them straight across month plus day, then add each digit of the year individually. You do this because numerology reduces multi-digit totals into a single guiding number. This first sum creates that raw total. Make sure to write each digit separately when adding the year so you don't skip a number or miss some. Accuracy here matters. Now take the raw total and reduce it. Add the digits of that total repeatedly until you reach a single digit. Once you get numbers like 10 through 99, split and add again. For example, 31 becomes 3 plus 1 to give 4. However, if your reduction lands on 11 or 22, treat those as master numbers and stop. They carry distinct meanings, so don't force them to a single digit. You do this because single or master numbers form the personal year archetype you'll interpret. With your final number in hand, interpret it as the theme for the coming personal year. 1 often signals new beginnings, 2 partnership and patience, etc. Use that theme to prioritize goals, pick start dates, or schedule important moves. If things go wrong, for example, your number is 0 or doesn't match expectations, re-add everything carefully, confirm the month and day format, and ensure you added each year digit separately. A quick recheck resolves most calculation errors and keeps your reading reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.